What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So there is something that has happened, and it is that the ANC is like finally given in, to finally surrender, to the threats of Gayton McKenzie. So the deputy president of the Patriotic Alliance, Kenny Kunene, has been appointed as the MMC of transport in the city of Johannesburg by Mayor Dada Morero. So Kenny Kunene is going to be sworn in on Monday. So this swearing in of Kenny Kunene is coming after threats were made by Gayton McKenzie that he's going to pull out from the GNU if Kenny Kunene is not brought back into his position. So the reason why, Gayton McKenzie was making these threats is because there was this tussle for that position between the PA and the EFF. So Gayton McKenzie had to go to the ANC to say, hey, push these EFF guys out and bring back Kenny Kunene, or else we are pulling out of the GNU. So the ANC, they did bow down to the pressure from Gayton McKenzie. So it's very sad to see the ANC, sort of like being bullied by Gayton McKenzie and the Patriotic Alliance like this, because these are some of the things that you would least expect, But anyway, this is where we are. I'll catch you guys on the next one.